I am Aiza Ali and you are watching Saiba News HD. Now we adding some important news.
Former captain of the Saudi Arabian national team, first-class cricketer and ICC qualified coach Mohammad Nadeem Babar is giving special coaching to players from India, Mohammad Hassan and Bangladesh Moin Ali at the Cricket Saudi International Academy in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. It should be remembered that Mohammad Nadeem Babar has been coaching cricket in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia since 1992 and has also been playing cricket. So far, countless players from the Saudi Arabian national team, senior under 17 and under 19 cricket teams have made Saudi Arabia famous under his coaching. In Pakistan, countless players have played Pakistan under 19 first class cricket under his coaching, while many players from the Pakistan senior team have also made Pakistan famous in world cricket.
For updates, connect with Saiba News HD.